Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to create subcontracting purchasing info record, pipeline purchasing info record, and consignment purchasing info record. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To create purchase info record, we need to enter the transaction code M11. Enter transaction code M11. Here, all four different types of purchase info record, we can create only one transaction code. Okay. Now enter vendor master, enter your material master. My material master is this one. Enter purchase organization. Here I am going to create subcontracting info record in purchase organization level. Okay. Now select info category subcontracting. Select this radio button. Now press enter key. This is purchase info record general data. General data always stores in client level. Okay. So these data automatically comes from material and vendor master. Now press enter key. So this is the purchase organization data. Okay. Here we need to enter the planned delivery days. I'm going to enter 10 days. Now enter purchase group. Enter standard quantity. Standard quantity I'm going to enter 100 quantity. Enter tax code. Enter the price. Price I'm going to enter €8. Okay. Now press enter key. Press enter key. Here if required we can enter the text. Okay. Now press enter key. Finally save it. Now subcontracting purchasing info record is created. Now I am going to show how to create pipeline purchase info record. In case of pipeline procurement, pipeline purchase info record is mandatory. Enter the transaction code M11. Now press enter key. Remove previous data. Enter your vendor master. Now enter pipeline material. Here I created this material by using material type PIPE. I'm going to enter pipeline material. Now enter purchase organization. Okay. Now select pipeline info category. Press enter key. This is general data system automatically brings the data from vendor master and material master. Okay. Press enter key. Here enter standard quantity. Standard quantity, for example, I'm going to enter some 1000. Okay. 1000 liters. Okay. Now enter the tax code. Tax code mandatory here. Enter price. Price I'm going to enter €1. Okay. Now press enter key. Enter. If required, you can enter text here. Enter. Finally save it. Now pipeline info record is created. Now we can see how to create consignment purchase info record. Enter the transaction code M11. Now press enter key. Enter your vendor master. Enter your material master. Enter purchase organization. Now select consignment radio button. In info category we need to select consignment radio button. Okay. Now press enter key. Press enter key. Here enter standard quantity. Standard quantity I'm going to enter 100 quantity. Here also tax code is mandatory. How tax code is mandatory in the pipeline process, in consignment process also tax code is mandatory. Now enter price. Price I'm going to enter €10. Now press enter key. Enter. Enter. Finally save it. Now our consignment info record is created. In the next video tutorial, we can see how to edit purchase info record, how to use the scale function, and how to add the other conditions in purchase info record. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any queries, please comment me. I will try to answer. Thank you.